Hey guys, today we are unboxing something really special. If you don't already know, OPPO has already launched the F11 Pro and the F11 a while back. But this is a special edition made specially for Avengers lover because this is the Avengers limited edition OPPO F11 Pro. So now we're going to be unboxing this Marvel Avengers limited edition Avengers silhouette. Ta-da! Look at this! It's the Avengers logo! It's on the phone, this is not a case. You also get a special case that goes with the OPPO F11 Pro, and it has this Captain America's shield made of vibranium. Not this thing though. And it's actually an eye ring. You'll get the micro USB cable, a charging brick, and also earphone because the F11 Pro has headphone jack. So if you don't already know, Avengers Endgame is already out this week, which is why OPPO has decided to also launch this Marvel Avengers limited edition phone, and they even provide a special case with it with Captain America in mind and his vibranium shield. So it actually matches pretty well both the phone and the case, which you'll get together in the box, which is also really pretty because it's specially designed. You know, you get the logo here and it's black, it's sleek. So this is how it looks like when you put it in with the case. See? And you can use it as the eye ring. You can use the eye ring. Ta-da! And the display. It's everything Avengers. So this is really perfect for those Marvel fans out there. It actually looks very similar to the original OPPO F11 Pro. It comes with a 6.5-inch LCD display, and on its back you will get the fingerprint mount. But what is different is obviously the design itself. You can see that there is the Avengers logo in red, and then it comes with this shiny blue at the back. And it's actually it feels like a gradient effect. The sides are darker, whereas this part is actually brighter. And you also get a tiny Avengers logo right above the triple camera. Now on the front, you'll see that there is no front camera because like the OPPO F11 Pro, it is actually a pop-up selfie camera. Yeah, it's right there. Now on the side, you realize that the button is actually red, so it's actually like in the theme of Avengers. The side here is dark blue, but you get this red button, and in the center there's a green lining. So other than that, you can see that when you get this phone, there is the Avengers wallpaper ready for you to see. And this phone is actually powered by a MediaTek Helio P70 processor, and it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now this OPPO F11 Pro also ships with ColorOS 6 based on Android 9 Pie. It actually has a dual camera like the original and also a pop-up front camera. The front camera is of 16 megapixel, whereas the back dual camera is actually a 48 megapixel main camera paired with a 5 megapixel secondary sensor. So in the box, you'll also get a collection certificate, which is this round thing. I think it's a medal. It's gold and shiny, and it's placed right in the middle with the icons of the original Avengers. This is actually pretty good, especially if you're a Marvel fan who likes to keep Marvel collectibles, and it's actually pretty heavy. So there you have it. This is the Marvel Avengers limited edition OPPO F11 Pro, which only costs $100 more than its original OPPO F11 Pro. This phone costs 1,399 ringgit, but with the $100 extra, you get a special design on the phone, a special case, and it's all within a special box. Now the OPPO F11 Pro Marvel Limited Edition is actually in a pre-order stage, and you can start pre-ordering it now from now till 3rd of May. So if you are a true Marvel fan and you want a phone that reminds you of Avengers all the time, you should definitely get the OPPO F11 Pro Marvel Avengers Limited Edition. And if you already watched the Avengers Endgame, please don't spoil it for us because we haven't watched it yet and we do not want any spoilers. So that's it for our video today. I hope you really like this video, and if you're really a true Marvel fan, remember you can get the OPPO F11 Pro in Marvel Avengers Limited Edition. That's it for our video today. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!